Another one, stop smoking. Okay, on top of all the other health problems that smoking presents, it can also make you or your partner more likely to snore by irritating the airways. Even secondhand smoke can increase the risk of snoring. Quitting is far easier said than done, but doing so can help treat and prevent a variety of health problems outside of snoring. To be fair, if you can't stop smoking, try not smoking just before bed and not irritating those tissues, and see if you can get that decibel level to start to reduce.